Hey, howdy, third grade class. It's Mr. Adam. And I know you guys are a little bit surprised. It's not Miss Susan, but I'm going to be taking control of today's lesson 13. So I'm going to be helping you guys learn lesson 13. So Mr. Adam, what are we going to learn in lesson 13? Well, that's right here under the objective. We're going to interpret the quotient, which is the answer. So we're going to interpret the answer, the quotient, as the number of groups or number of objects in each group using units of threes. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a bunch of problems involving the number 3. We're going to do a bunch of problems involving the number 3 today. Why would that be important in the real world? Well, sometimes you guys have to do quick math in your head, and sometimes it might not just be easy numbers like 2 or 5s. Sometimes it'll be a little bit harder like 3s. So if we review them now, it'll be a lot easier for you guys when you get out there in the real world. So we're going to start with our sprint. So for our sprint, if you are a student who is already virtual, take out your yellow book to page 25 and page 27. And if you're a student who left their book at school, you're just going to have to use Kami for it, which is fine. We're going to have Kami set up for you guys and we can use that. So take out your yellow book to pages 25 and 27, and we're going to start with page 25. So this is going to be a sprint. And for our sprint, we're going to get 1 minute minus 2 seconds apparently, because Mr. Adam is very trigger happy. So you're going to have a minute to complete our sprint. And this is what our sprint looks like. So you guys ready? Go! And stop. Hands down, pencils down, no cheating. Stop. So that was our first one. That was sprint A. And we had some easy ones in it, like 2 times 2 and 2 times 3, right? It's a lot of 2s. You guys are going to get really good at doing 2s by the end of this. So our second sprint is going to be on page 27. This is going to be our B sprint. So it's going to look like this one. So you guys are going to get a minute for this one as well. Get ready. On your marks. Get set. Go. Ah. And stop. Pencils down. So at the end, we're going to have our answer key. So at the end of everything, I want you guys to go in an answer key and check to see all the ones you have right and put the number up here, the number correct. And then for the second one, you're going to check the numbers you have correct here. And then you're going to take the second number you got, and you're going to subtract the first number, and that's going to be your improvement score. So that's what we're going to do with our sprint after this. So that's going to be inside of our answer key. So we're going to start off by group counting by threes. Now you guys remember in class we used our thumbs to show if we're counting up. So thumbs going up means we count up. Thumbs going down means we go backwards. And then a fist means we're going to stop. So I'm going to try that with my mouse cursor. When the mouse cursor goes up, it means we're going to go up. And when the mouse cursor goes down, it means we're going to count backwards. So let's try. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So let's try that again. And remember, if the mouse shakes like this, that's going to be our fist, meaning stop. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Stop. Let's try going backwards. So from 15, we're going to count backwards. 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Let's try making it all the way to 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Stop! So that was counting by threes all the way to 30. So let's try going backwards. So we're going to start at 30 and we're going to go down. So 30, 27, 24, 21, 28, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. So that was our threes. Let's try our fours. So fours are harder, so I need you guys to focus along with me. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And we're going to stop at 40. Let's go one more time through it, okay? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. We're going to stop at 40. Let's count backwards. We're going to subtract the fours. So 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. That was our group counting by fours. So let's start with some nice, easy division to start with, everybody. 2 times 3. So we have 2 groups of 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's one group. 1, 2, 3. So this is what our problem is showing us. So 2 times 3 equals 6. You see, it's not as cool when you guys don't get a chance to yell at me and tell me what the answer is. Because you guys always yell and you guys always get these right. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. What about a division sentence? Our division sentence, what goes right here? Our total goes right here. Well, our total altogether, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 in total, so our 6 should go right here. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. What about this one? 3 rows of 3. 3 rows of 3. Oh, Mr. Adam, your circles are terrifying. They're kind of scary. So this is our multiplication problem. And 3 times 3 is 9. Everybody says 9. Yeah, Mr. Adam. And why is it 9? Because we can count the number in total, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 circles in total, so that's 9. Well, then what goes right here for our division? We have our total that goes in this space right here at the start. And how many circles do we have in total? 9. So our division sentence would be 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And our multiplication sentence would be 3 times 3 equals 9. And we're going to do one more. 5 rows, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. Do you guys think Mr. Adam has good drawing skills? I think in real life, Mr. Adam has better drawing skills. So 5 times 3, we have 5 rows of 3. So how many do we have in total? If we count our circles, we should have 15, because we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 in total. So 5 times 3 gives us 15. And for our division problem, what should go in this space right here? Yeah, our 15 should go in the space right there. So let's look at the application problem. Let's read it first, and then we're going to find what the question's asking. Mark spends $16 on 2 video games. Each game costs the same amount. Find the cost of each game. What is the question asking us? Let's read it again. Mark spends $16 on 2 video games. Each game costs the same amount. Find the cost of each game. So it's asking us to find the cost of each game. Well, how many games are there? It says Mark spends $16 on 2 video games. So we have 2 groups. This is our first group, and this is our second group. So this is video game 1, video 1, and this is our video game number 2. Video game number 2. For students who are working in their application problems, this is going to be in your blue book on page 77. So please do me a favor and take your time to open up your blue book to page 77. And for those that do not have their blue books, we're going to use Kami for this one. So these are our 2 groups. We have our 2 video games. We have 16 in total. So if we want to divide 16 into our 2 groups evenly, how would we do that? Yeah, we would go one at a time. So we would go $1, $2. And we would keep repeating this process until we hit 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So stop. We hit our 16. And we went evenly into the 2 groups. So what was the question asking us? Find the cost of each game. So the cost of each game would be how many would be in one group. So how many dollars are in one group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one video game cost $8. One video game cost $8. Our multiplication sentence would be 8 times 2 equals 16. Because we have 8 in each group, times 2 groups equals 16. And our division sentence would be 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Make sure you write this in a complete sentence at the bottom. How would we write this as a complete sentence?